So when you say it was overrated, they kind of classified it as, hey, there's going to be a transitional period, it's going to be a little difficult, and you didn't find that to be the case.
I did not. What I found hard is grasping how simple it was. Like everything is very flexible, very user adaptive, and we weren't used to that.
What features are outstanding for you, and what are you finding how it's helping your shop flow?
Transparency with the customer, they absolutely love it. Two-way communication within the work order, pictures, just constant updates. Customers, we get compliments every single day.
In our shop, we used to fill up a banker's box every month with invoices. Now it's down to a manila envelope, and it's primarily vendor invoices. We've gone essentially paperless, which is pretty cool. But from a record-keeping standpoint, it's awesome because customers can reference the data, they can get back into their ticket. I mean, it's absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
So how are your technicians finding the application? Is it beneficial for them?
Yes. In the previous SMS we used, we were running Auto Vitals as our inspection platform on top of that. With the work orders moving back and forth between the two platforms, it actually never moved instantaneously. It was Sometimes it would take 5, sometimes it would take 10 minutes for a work order to translate. This is instant. You push something, I mean, you hit the button and the text computer dings. It's that fast.